Hey physics, welcome to week 6. All right, so this is the plan for the week. We are looking at how does distance and amount of charge affect the interactions between objects. So we're going to start off with a reading about how do charged objects interact without touching, and then you're going to watch an experiment that I did with the Van de Graaff machine and a long piece of tape and a balloon that is charged. And you're going to answer some questions and then work with a simulation on in the STEM resource. We're going to go over the rest of that activity that day, and we're going to review some of the vocabulary that we've been working with. And you will have a Google form summarizing activity 1. Then on Wednesday, you're going to start with a reading about how do bees find flowers, because flowers actually have an electrical charge, and you're going to learn about that. You're going to use a Google drawing to make a model of a flower before and after a bee visits it. Then you're going to do a game that's part of activity 2, and you're going to check in with me about how you're feeling about the things we're learning with a Google form there. Wednesday is count day, so make sure that you show up for the synchronous session, and if you can't, make sure you let me and Eva Kidder, the attendance secretary, know that you will not be there, but try to be there. We are going to be doing an investigation 2 summary table, which is a lot like the sticky data table, but with investigation 2. And then on Thursday or Friday, we are going to be looking at how we can actually detect lightning using some pretty common things that we have around. I'm probably going to tell you a little bit about Benjamin Franklin and his Franklin bells and his lightning rod invention and how that actually works. So, that is what we're doing this week. We'll see you soon.